To go.
Going.
Putting. Put. Putting.
Put. She is making tea. He is playing. I'm with Ms. Chopra.
My mom is making Chinese food.
My is food.
My mom is making Chinese food. Amit is driving fast today. No. It's raining. Is sleeping. But we to out.
Send an email. Lynn and her grandmother Lucy are visiting Seattle. They are in a coffee shop. Lynn and her grandmother Lucy are visiting Seattle. They are in a coffee shop.
It's nice to be here again. It's nice to be here again.
When did you live in Seattle, Grandma? When did you live in Seattle, Grandma?
30 years ago. 30 years ago.
Let's go to a museum now. Let's go to a museum now.
Sure, after I go to the restroom. Sure, after I go to the restroom.
Lucy leaves the table. An old man walks into the cafe. He sees Lynn. Lucy leaves the table. An old man walks into the cafe. He sees Lynn.
You look like someone I knew many years ago. You look like someone I knew many years ago.
Really?
I loved her very much. I loved her very much. I don't know where she is now. I don't know where she is now.
Lucy returns from the bathroom.
Lucy, it's you.
Do I know you?
It's me, Marco. You never responded to my letters.
I never got your letters. I was sailing around the world. I never got your letters. I was sailing around the world.
Now you're here. We can finally be together. Now you're here. We can finally be together.
Actually, I'm going to a museum with my granddaughter now. Actually, I'm going to a museum with my granddaughter now. Next time, send an email. Next time, send an email.
Returns. Restroom. Someone. Never. Respond.
Could you tell me the price again? Can we get new toothbrushes? Will you work with your dad? Will. Dad. Will you work with your dad?
You will clean the kitchen, right?
Right.
You will clean the kitchen, right? Can I study science and music? Can I study science and music?
Grandma, I can't find the flower. Ah. Dosa. I. I. Coffee. We. Eat. Mutton. Today. Yes. Drive. Home.
Family dinner. Lynn walks into B's kitchen. Lynn walks into B's kitchen. She sees food and bottles of wine on the table. She sees food and bottles of wine on the table.
Wow, you have a lot of food. Wow, you have a lot of food.
Yeah, my family is coming for dinner. Yeah, my family is coming for dinner.
Ooh, can I have some cake? Ooh, can I have some cake?
No,
But you have 3 cakes.
I need 3 cakes.
Well, can I have a glass of wine? Well, can I have a glass of wine?
No,
You have 4 bottles of wine. You have 4 bottles of wine.
I need all of the wine. I need all of the wine.
Can I have a slice of pizza? Can I have a slice of pizza?
No, Lynn.
Fine. So, what time is dinner with your family tonight? Fine. So, what time is dinner with your family tonight?
Oh, my family is visiting next week. This is all for me. This is all for me.
What?
I have a very difficult family. I'm stressed. I have a very difficult family. I'm stressed. I need all of this food and wine now. I need all of this food and wine now.
Kitchen. Dinner. You have. Sees. All.